Montessori language class. Teach your child to read and write with our free online tutorials.
Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn how to blend and read 2-letter words and 3-letter words. Let's start. A, 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 at. Do you have this worksheet with you? You're going to cut this worksheet around the dotted line, and you're going to put all your cutouts next to you like this. And then we are going to work all together. Let's start. Cat. When we say cat, what first sound we make? K. K. At. Cat. Can you put sound k next to cat on your worksheet? Now let's do bat. B. At. B. B. At. Bat. At. Hat. At. Hat. At. Mat. At. Mat. Rat. At. Rat. Are you done putting all the sounds next to their pictures? Great! We are done with today's lesson. See you next time. Bye-bye.